kit build here, only because I ordered the neck. Yeah, I didn't build the neck. I bought a neck blank. I did design the headstock. It's Spurzle tuners. It's all maple neck. I stained the back of it. I high build oiled the fretboard a few times. I built the top out of some flame maple pieces that I ordered. It has cherry pieces running through the center. The back is a mahogany piece of 1.25" I ordered from a tabletop company. 5 cavities. It's wired inside before I laid the top on it, because I bought it in one piece. It was already wired together. Kill switch, maple top. Plays like $1 million. There's such a thing. That's what I think there is. It's like an Explorer 2, isn't it? Oh, I'm sorry, I said that E word. E-guitar. Anyway, this is the F guitar, the Falcon ST21. You saw it right here, folks. This is the kit that I ordered in a whole bunch of pieces. Schaller bridge, straight from Germany. Roller bridge, Dragonfire pickup, Dragonfire wiring harness. Look them up. They make good stuff. String through. My design. Falcon ST21. Vote right here. Oh yeah. Alright, everybody. Jam jar.